Hey, you get out from here. Close the door. Hmm? What happened? Who was there? Who was there? Hey, you, I am not afraid to you. I won't fight with you. Are you ready? Get lost. Mom, help me. Mom, he hit me. Mom, help me, please, Mom. Hey, leave me. I don't want to leave this home. Please let me keep in this home. Please don't throw me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
Hey, stop, stop, stop. Don't fight, don't fight. Let me fight with him. You don't stop me. You don't. Okay? Hey, this boy is like my princess. Where is my princess? Princess! Princess! Where are you? I am so tired. I need some rest. Sorry, this seat already taken. No work, no school, no wills, just sleep, just eat, just poo, just meow, meow, meow. Hey, let me check how is your work. Oh, this is okay. And also this is okay. Good, great. Carry on.
Cub, help! Oh, for fluff's sake, help! Hey, Daryl, help! Throw him in the litter box!
I am taking your baby, okay? No, 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 don't touch my baby. He is hungry. He must need now drink the milk. Baby, drink you. Hey, Zeri, come here. Hey, Zeri, come here. Hey, don't. One, two, three,